Hey everyone, it's Cathy Zielske. Welcome back to my channel and the craft/dining room. Today I've got something a little different for you. I recently became the proud owner of a Gemini Junior die cut machine. I have a die cut machine that I love, but recently my designer wrists have been acting up. I've had wrist issues for years and years. It's part of the territory when you point and click for a living. So I've had my eye on a Gemini Junior and I finally decided to go ahead and order one, but I have not taken it out of the box yet. There she is. Hello. So I thought I would do an unboxing video. I am definitely going to set up my plate sandwich the way Jennifer McGuire tells people to do it. She's a rule breaker. I love her. And I will link to her video that inspired me to do my plates this way. I'm going to follow what she does. I trust her. I trust her with my life. You hear that, Jennifer? The Gemini Junior unboxing extravaganza coming up next. All right, here is the Gemini Junior. This has been sitting in the craft/dining room for a few weeks now, and I wanted just to film this process because why not? All right, let's get you open here. I can barely fit this in my camera, but there we go. We're opening it up, and we have products inside. So first thing that comes out here looks like are a series of plates. Plate number 1, oh, plate number 2. Oh yes, I do get the magnetic cutting mat. That's awesome. I saw that in Jennifer McGuire's video. Oh, what's that? Oh, an embossing mat. Got that. Oh my gosh, it comes with a shim too. What? All right, it comes with quite a few things. So we've got the plastic shim, the metal cutting plate, an embossing rubber mat, and magnetic shim, and 2 clear cutting plates. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't even pronounce the word plate. All right, these are in the box, so that's good. Next, how are we gonna do? I don't think I can do this on camera. I'm gonna tip the box sideways and do this so that I don't knock anything over. I'll be right back. All right, let's turn you here now that I've gotten this out. And we'll just go ahead and take the styrofoam off the corners like that. Oh, there's a power cord. Okay, that will probably come in handy because apparently you have to plug this thing in. That's the rumor going around. And that might be complicated for me. I've got to figure out how I'm going to power this and where I'm going to put it in the craft/dining room, because old house that I live in, we don't have a ton of, what are they called? Oh yeah, power outlets, I know. The craft/dining room, for those of you who are curious, was built in 1917. That's how old my house is. And they didn't plug a lot of things in. Got that there. Now I'm just going to cut open the plastic coating, or you know what I mean. It's not as big as I thought it would be, and that's good, because like I said, I think I know where I'm going to keep this, but I'm not 100% sure yet because I have to sort out some space issues. All right, look at that, Gemini Junior. That is fancy. All right, picking you up here. Let's try not to hurt the wrists. All right, plastic is out. Look at that, so sleek and sexy. I love it. It really is quite lovely, isn't it? I think it's nice. Human-sized hands, so you can kind of see how big it is. And again, all my plates are off to the side. But the other thing that came in the box, let's see. They gave me some little dies. That's kind of cute. What's this? Is this another die, or is that an... Oh, yeah, look at that. That's fancy. Let's see, what's this one? Oh, super cute. Embossing plate and directions and register my Gemini Junior. I think that I will, because you know, when you invest in something, you want to fill out all the stuff. So a couple little things came in it. I'm not sure if this is in every single one, but if it is, that's kind of cool. So I'm going to plug this in. I guess you just lift it up. Get that right in. Oh, get that right in there. I have also taken all of the plates that I'm going to be using today, taken them out of the package, and then I'm just going to keep these extra guys, the embossing plate and the metal shim, on my craft shelf / paper shelf where I keep all my cutting plates. I'm gonna get these ready for cutting. I have taped together the DIY plate a la the Jennifer McGuire method. So there's that. And now I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, wait, like that maybe? And power. Oh, there it is. There it is. You can tell by the glow of the purple light. Now I have my DIY super plate that I have done. Here is my bottom plate. I'm going to start out with a piece of Nina Solar White Classic Crest cardstock. And I'm going to take this little You Are Loved die, and I'm actually just going to pop that off like that. So I've got this nice little intricate die. I'm going to, I guess you go face down. Is that how we do it? And then I'm going to take my super plate, shim side down. Is that right? I guess you just pop it in and it goes. Oh, it's louder than I thought it would be. Is it supposed to be loud? Okay, that sounded really weird. Let's pick you up. I thought it was going to be silent, but maybe not. Oh, but look at that lovely cut. All right, let's pick it up. Pick it up. Oh my. Yeah, that is, oh, popping it up. Wow, look at that. Oh, okay. Let's just do the old, oh, look at that. You can flick them out. Do you ever do the flick? I do the flick. Let's pop you out here, here, and here. Look at that bad boy. Let's get a little closer to the camera. That's a real, that is a really clean cut. Wow. Okay. I just don't know if the sound is all that normal. Yes, I will be sending some messages to friends, but okay, so there's cut number one. All right, I think I'm fine, but here's what I'm gonna do, because Jennifer says, so there's the one side, you're gonna flip it and rotate it every time. So I thought I would try something like this. Look at this cool snowflake cover plate from Hero Arts. Now something like this would normally be really hard for me to cut out with my hand cranking, with my wrist issues. Now this isn't, I don't know if this is completely sized properly. All right, I have a bigger piece of cardstock. This is actually also, I think this is, this might be Brutus Monroe, Not Your Mother's cardstock. So got that, right? And then I will take my DIY plate guy, like, well, look at that. Okay. Oh my. Oh my. Oh, there's a little popping and cracking, and it's even moving my laptop. Okay. That's a little out of, let's move this off to the side a little, and let's lift you up, and let's see how the cut was. Now this might be something that needs a metal shim, I don't know, and we're about to find out. We're gonna pick you up, and we're gonna start popping you out, and we'll see what the cut was like. All right. Oh, actually, you know what? For things like this, and then I'm just gonna start popping, and I'll see what happens. Wait, which part pops out? The insides pop out. So I've been working on this for about 5 minutes. Here's the reality. I don't know if a metal shim would have helped. It might have, but the cut itself, holy crap. The cut itself is absolutely amazing. Look at that. I don't even know, like I'm saving that. Now, would I mass produce this? I don't know, I might. That's impressive. This is kind of a cool tool. I'm curious as to know if you're watching today, do you use a Gemini Junior? If so, what are your best tips and what are your thoughts about this machine? I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm gonna figure out a place where I can keep it permanently set up, and I'm gonna get to die cutting. Anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it helps you make decisions. I'm excited to give my wrists a little bit of a break from time to time. I'm not getting rid of my Platinum 6 because that has been a go-to machine for me. But having that Gemini Junior, we're gonna see. Who knows? Who knows? I'll know more soon. Thanks for watching. Thanks so much for watching today. I would love to have you become a subscriber to my YouTube channel. And if you do subscribe, be sure to hit the gray bell below the video so that you don't miss the next time I post. Here are a couple other videos that you might be interested in watching. Thanks so much and have a great day.